Greetings, fellow nerds. Today we have another box opening video for you. This is another one of the Goddess Story boxes of the NS-002 set. Now I've noticed it does not have the frog logo on the box anywhere, so this may be a Chinese knockoff. It may be legit. I don't read Chinese. So, but it's a nice box, and I think this was like $10. I don't know enough about this series to know what I'm actually getting. A booster box from one. Oh, magnetic. That's nice. A booster box from one is not the same as a booster box from another. As you can see, this was listed as a booster box. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs in here. Normally, booster boxes for games you get a lot more. But it's a nice box. And yeah. Let's take a look at the packs. They all have the same artwork on it. I'm going to guess that's Goddess Story. And more information that you have this 2014 set NS, which usually I think NS is the characters to stand for Goddess Story in Chinese. So anyway, let's take a look. Let's get my garbage out of the way here. Put the box here. Oh, right away I see we have some foils. We have 3 cards per pack. Quite thick here. SSR, SSR. So I'm guessing that they are going to be the SSRs, the more rare. This is one of the last Goddess Story cards, the CR, and you can see the difference in thickness here on the cards. But I think Goddess Story cards are notorious for that. And let's look on the back. They have the same back on these. Same back there as well. This is Elena Matu Sakura. I'm sure I'm butchering these names. Elia. At least they have, English names on the packaging this time. Or on the cards, I should say, not the packaging. Let's take a look. Try not to destroy all the packages, because for each box I open, I like to save one pack just to show off the artwork. Come on, baby cakes. And this does not appear that this is going to be as spicy as some of the Goddess Story sets out there, which is what I was hoping for. No, that one's just one. So here we have Amano Hina, Yuki Satsuna. You are ultra rare, maybe? I'm not sure. But it definitely has a different back. And, yep. And it's textured like a glitter texture there. That's pretty cool. 011. I don't know who that is. Probably should. Here we have Shisharo Botan, Okita Soji, SSR, 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 Violet Evergarden. These definitely are nice cards. Karen Hortensia, Karen with a C, another SSR, Tsukimi Eluko, and another UR number 3 with a guitar. So I'm guessing there's something about the same series. I like that I don't have any duplicates yet, surprisingly. Try to open this again without destroying the pack. Which maybe it's made that way on purpose, so you can't repack them. I don't know if anybody's repacking Goddess Story cards like they are other card games. But in this day and age, you never know. People spend a lot of time and energy doing things wrong when they could just do them right. But I digress. Asaka, Karin, Marnie, and Akari. Looks like a little Pokemon guy there. Could be. Again, I don't know. I just like the foiling and the artwork. Misaka Mikoto. Another Elia. So I do have a double. Oh, another UR with the textured foiling, which is cool. And the pink back. This is number 6. I'm running out of space here on my play mat. 4 packs to go. Sorry, I'm a little lost for words here. Bianca, Shirayuki, and Atria. That sword's cool. And yeah. So far only one. I'm probably jinxing myself. I've only got one duplicate so far. Oh, well, look at that. I just jinxed myself because here we go. Duplicate. Oh, ooh, that one was in there upside down. It's an MR. Is that good? I don't know. MR-003. That is definitely a cool rainbow foiling with textured stars on there. Same pink back as the other ones, but pretty cool. And you're a duplicate for you. You're a duplicate for you, and you. 2 packs to go, and then this will be done. Morgan Le Fay, a little King Arthur action going on there. Nico Yazawa and Ogiwara Sayu. Again, I apologize for butchering these names. I'm sure people are going crazy and pulling their hair out hearing me pronounce these wrong, but hey, at least I'm trying. Nico Yazawa, which I thought, yep. Shana, SSR. And finally, one more UR, number 2, with the foil ribbon. So there we go. We have another Goddess Story box opening here for you, which this actually I'll keep the box because that is kind of cool to just put the cards in sleeves and put them inside. And we have URs 2, 3, 6, and 11. Just show those off again. All right, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you all have a great day.